Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Did you know in Europe we produce every year 10 million tons of fiberboard waste? Maybe fiberboard, the name doesn't ring a bell, but it's this material. You all know it, you all use it. It's laminate flooring, kitchens, furniture, construction material. It's a wonderful product. I love it. I use it in my own construction works when, in building my house. It's only one small problem. At the end of its life, it's not recyclable. It's burned or landfilled. So the beautiful table you bought recently or the kitchen, in 10 to 15 years, you have to discard it because it's broken down or you saw through it like I did previous week. And it's not recyclable, but don't you worry. We from Act&Sorb, we've developed an upcycling technology. I'm Kenny Vanreppelen, founder and managing director of the company. We are supported by Energy and the European Union by a Horizon 2020 project. So a few years ago, when I was doing a PhD in upcycling of waste materials, I was also renovating my house. And one day, in the end of 2014, I was breaking out my kitchen, my laminate flooring, and driving to the recycling center. And at that time, I was thinking, what's going to happen with my waste material, how it's recycled? I couldn't think about any recycling solution. And a few years later, or a few days later, back in the office, I needed to know. So I was Googling it. No recycling solution. At that time, I made it my mission to develop an upcycling technology. Now, 2.5 years later, I'm proud to announce to you that we succeeded. Based on proven and existing technology, we have developed an upcycling technology for fiberboard waste, and we make 2 products out of it. First product, syngas. We use the syngas for our own energy consumption. We have even syngas in excess, which we turn into high-value heat and electricity. Second product, activated carbon. Activated carbon is produced for purification of water, air, and gas streams, but also chemicals and edible oils. But our product, which is made from a waste product, is outperforming existing activated carbons. We have submitted a European patent for our process. We are now going to a worldwide patent next month. We've done industrial demonstration tests proving the scalability of our process. The process itself is fast payback time, especially important for investors, but also it is used, or we can use it for other waste streams. And we are market ready, so let's have a look at the market. The activated carbon market, very fast growing market. Compound average growth rate between 8 and 10% per year. Prices are increasing by 2 and 2.5% per year. Average price at the moment around 2,000 euros per ton. If we narrow it down to the wood-based activated carbon, between now and 5 years, we can see an extra demand of 170,000 tons a year, which is huge. Our next step is building our first commercial installation. For this, we are looking for investors, and we're talking to input and output partners. We are already in discussion with Suez and Veolia and so on, which are going great at the moment. But still, if you're interested or you have a valuable contact, please come and talk to us. Our growth plan. At the moment, we are raising 2.5 million in capital to strengthen our team, to further protect our assets, and to build our first commercial installation. From there on, we're going to build our first full-scale big installation, 24,000 tons a year of fiberboard upcycling, which we can do. And then, of course, we will go to a licensing and servicing model. Our team, Chef and Uwe, my 2 co-founders, highly experienced guys, worked for many years in the industry. Chef is a specialist in environmental protection, safety, and human resource management, also strategy. Uwe, specialist in sales. And Tom, he's also here today, very clever guy, or R&D engineer. Of course, our partners like Energy are supporting us, but also partners like Deloitte and Laga are supporting us in the business development. My call for action to you guys, we're looking for investors and project partners, small or medium-sized, even big multinational companies. We're in discussion with the Port of Rotterdam, so even a partner that is not in the field is interested in our technology. Also, if you have valuable contacts, please come join us in a small discussion. Thank you for your time.